Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a 2020 Toyota Corolla LE. This is a 5-passenger sedan in celestite gray, and under the hood you'll find a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder driving on 16-inch wheels. Some of our great exterior features include our brand new redesigned aggressive front end and a backup camera in the back. But now, why don't we hop inside this Corolla and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob right here. It's got our lock and unlock buttons. Those are trunk release button, which we'll get to in just a moment. Press that unlock button once to the driver's side. We're going to take a look in the front first. On the bottom, you have some storage space. On top, you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. This Corolla is equipped with all-weather mats and black cloth seating. And on the bottom, you will find your manual seating adjustment handles. To start it up, just press this button on the key fob and that key will fold out. We're going to take a look. On the left side of the steering wheel first, this cluster right here will allow us to navigate through the multi-information display. Below that, you have your volume buttons, voice recognition system, and your hands-free calling. On the right side, you have your Toyota safety sense with dynamic radar cruise control and lane departure alert, and your cruise control speed settings are in that circle. Moving on to our home screen. Right now, on the left side, we have any audio that might be playing, and on the bottom, it shows any device that might be connected. And on the right, you have your trip information. It is a touchscreen. We can press that. If we go into audio, you have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between CD, USB, and a Bluetooth device. If we go into reverse, you get a nice backup camera featuring guidelines as well. Down below is our climate control system. You got these nice smooth turning dials. Underneath, you will find some storage space as well as your driver and passenger heated seats. And behind the shifter, you have your electronic parking brake and 2 cup holders. Now, before we take a look at cargo, why don't we take a quick look in the back first. On the bottom, we have some storage space just like the driver's side. Continuing with the all-weather mats and black cloth seating. Behind the front passenger seat, you will find the little pocket, providing some extra storage space. And we can pull this down. That gives you 2 cup holders and a nice little armrest. And these seats do fold down. All we gotta do is press that button and the seats will come right down, giving you access to your cargo. To open up, all we gotta do is hold this third button on our key fob and that trunk will open for us nice and easy. Taking a look in the back, there's plenty of cargo space in the back of this Corolla. Of course, like I mentioned, the rear seats do fold down. That'll give you that extra bit of room. And if we look underneath here, you will find your tools to change your spare tire in case one ever goes out on you. Goes up, just give that a gentle push. Taking a last look at our 2020 Toyota Corolla LE. Once again, some of those great interior features include your Bluetooth compatibility, heated seats, and hands-free calling. Still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.